Hi. Yeah, I totally forgot that we had plans today. Yeah, sure. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. I'm almost done getting ready. Okay, give me just a second, okay? Okay, thank you. Have you guys ever had a time waiting for you and you've just completely forgot your plans for that day and you're like, oh crap, I just washed my hair. What am I gonna do? And you're like in a time crunch to get your hair nice and blow dried like so. Watch this video and learn how you can master. Get your hair looking like this in no time. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Revlon One Step hair dryer. This hair dryer is amazing. I found it on Target online shopping. I honestly love this product. So with this blow dryer, honestly, it's really saved me a lot of time.
Alright
Honestly,
everyone, here's a
I
short fast
love
forwarded clip
this
of me
blow
just blow
dryer
drying my
and I
hair
will
with
continue
the
using it.
Revlon
It's
blow
amazing.
dryer. It is honestly a game changer. It saves me so much time.
Alright guys, this is the finished product. I love it.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Also leave down any questions that you have for me and I'll get back to them in the comment section down below. Thank you guys. I hope you guys found this video useful.